Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, April the 21st, 2024, we have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the Tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. We have the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyber Block, in Japanese Suguru. And last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but now in this afternoon, the 3 regular puzzles I will start. News of today, well, it's again war news. There are 300 bodies found in a mass grave at Gaza hospital. Yeah, 300 bodies. Filthy war, and I believe there are a lot of protests in the US. All the students in the US. Anyway, about the war, yeah. Enough about the war. Let me start with the Sudokus. 3 star Sudoku number 8409. This will be 8409. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Well, 26. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yeah. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle column. Sorry, we have 8 in this column, we have 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the first column. 8 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row. Last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. How about? Okay. How about? Well, I'm thinking. 666, 888, and I need a 2. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 4. Come on. Need to think. 3, 8, 3. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left on 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing and 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, from the third row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. 4, 4. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column and only place level 6 should be there. Alright. And now, 3, 3. 4, 4. Then need a 1. 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and then 9 goes there. Okay. Then 9, 9. 1, 1. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. 1 of the missing number in the third column is number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in the third column should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in the last row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Then 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column, second column. For numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column, third column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and then 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those numbers. Also 1, 3, 4. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have 3 and a 4 in the middle row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Alright, then 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. Then 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in this column. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in the middle row for number 2. 2 numbers left now in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square, other numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 9 and the 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then, let me see, which number? How about, the 9 there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next, so that column, the only 3 place level 7 should be here, or there. Let me pull this up here. Here, or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the last row, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next on that column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and the 3. We have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next on that columm. Only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the column next on the last column. Only place left for the 8 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, oh wait, 3 and 5. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, 3 and 5. 3 and 5 in the first row. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. So it should be a 0 stars. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles, the 4 Stars Sudoku and the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.